Systems look green up here. How are the flaps?
Still showing a minor actuator variance.
Copy. Running diagnostics now.
How are the forward sensors looking up there? Calibration looks good. Moving to the starboard panel now. Copy that. We're cycling the weapons bay doors down here.
The radar absorption checks out. This airframe is ready.
Agreed. The upgraded systems significantly enhance its operational capabilities in contested airspace.
The B-2A's design evolved significantly from the initial concepts, prioritizing stealth capabilities, which...
Looking back at the early prototypes, the evolution of the stealth coating alone took years of R&D to perfect for the B-2 program.
The origins of the flying wing concept trace back to maximizing stealth capabilities.
This precision engineering around the initial design prioritized the flying wing concept to minimize radar signature. As you can see on the schematic,
the internal systems integration looks good on the schematic. But the sensor fusion algorithms still show a minor anomaly in Sector 3.
The sensor integration schematic shows a conflict with the EW suite.
Can we relocate the cooling conduits with...
The radar signature analysis confirms the aerodynamic shaping is optimal.
Check the sensor integration schematics for the...
The genius of the B-2 lies in its flying wing design. It's a perfect blend of aerodynamics and stealth technology.
These schematics confirm the stealth capabilities are optimized.
The internal systems integration looks seamless based on...
This schematic highlights the sensor array placement. Ensure the integration doesn't compromise the structural integrity outlined in Section 3.
Accessing this specific turbine component for maintenance is still too complex.
We could redesign the cowling segment here to improve accessibility without compromising stealth.
Ensure the cowling is secured before we initiate the power check on Section 3.
Thermal sensors on the port engine look good. Moving to the landing gear hydraulics next.
Verify the torque settings before we proceed with the fuselage panel removal.
Manual specifies 250 inch-pounds.
Roger that.
Initiating disassembly sequence.
This internal structure is critical for maintaining the stealth profile of the aircraft.
Check the alignment on the sensor array before we seal the munitions bay.
The tolerances are tight. I'm verifying the schematics now.
Avionics systems are nominal across the board.
Copy that. Running final diagnostics on the propulsion components now.
Radar absorption material scan complete. All panels show green.
We have a fluctuation on the PGM guidance system readout.
Rerunning the diagnostic sequence now. Check the thermal sensors in Section 4.
We need a cleaner read on the cross-section modulation.
Running the diagnostic now. The system reports nominal parameters.
Run the sweep sequence on the starboard array.
Initiating sequence, reading stabilizing at 98%.
Calibration complete on this sector.
Calibration sequence initiated on bank 3.
Reading stabilizing. Mark parameters green.
Confirmed. Proceeding to final diagnostic sweep.
Initiating the low-band sweep protocol. Readings look nominal.
Confirmed.
Stealth integrity holding at 80%.
Power cycle the secondary stabilization unit.
Showing intermittent signal loss on the port side sensor housing.
The diagnostics confirm the anomaly. Rerunning the calibration sequence now.
Internal systems check is green across the board. How are the munitions pylons responding?
Pylons report secure and ready for simulated load.
Check the radar cross-section calibration on Sector 4.
Readings are stable. Data link is nominal.
Confirming integration successful.
Integration sequence is complete. We have a green light across all bands.
Excellent. Data logs confirm optimal performance.
Confirming sensor integration sequence 47.
Systems check is green. We are go for launch sequence activation.
Surveillance sweep data looks stable now.
Agreed. The adjustments to the navigation systems are holding steady. We are green across the board.
Navigation systems are green. Ready for upload.
Copy that. Surveillance systems showing nominal parameters.
Confirmed. Mission systems are a go.
Look at the fluctuation here on the radar schematic.
It's within acceptable parameters after the multimeter test. We are clear for launch.
Radar systems are calibrated and stable.
Acknowledged. Uploading flight parameters. Diagnostics confirmed.
Harness connected to the auxiliary panel.
Secure the connection. We need to run the calibration sequence now. Component replacement is complete. Running level 3 diagnostics now. Systems check is green. Power up the radar array.
Locking mechanisms engaged.
Ratcheting down the straps. Final check on the bolts. Aligning port side mount now. Hold steady. Locking mechanism engaged. Confirmed secure. Move out. Clear the area. Watch the starboard wing.
Harness locked and secured, awaiting next sequence.
Check alignment on munitions 7 and 8.
Alignment confirmed. Ready for lockdown.
Safety pins engaged. Clamps secured. Torque check complete on 5 units. Confirmed. Ready for transport lockout.
Ensure the forward mounts are torqued to spec.
Mounts secure. Ratchet straps are green, ready for transport.
The Spirit demonstrates its unparalleled global reach, capable of delivering precision munitions with surgical accuracy.
B2 systems check complete. Requesting authorization for munitions demonstration.
Takeoff sequence initiated. Rotate.
Weapon systems engaged.
Target locked. Releasing payload now.
Warning, altitude low.
Control, this is Spirit 1-1. Entering Middle East airspace. Mission parameters confirmed.
B2 Spirit, cleared for demonstration maneuvers.
The sensor integration is now fully calibrated.
Ensure the high-speed data link is secure before we initialize the navigation suite.
Copy that. Running diagnostics now.
The manual says this port is for the high-speed comms link.
Let me double check the schematic. Pin layout seems correct.
We need to run the diagnostic suite again.
Copy that. Initiating sequence 37 now.
Power level stabilizing.
This aircraft truly redefined the term stealth.
And its impact on military doctrine is still felt decades later.
The aerodynamic design alone was revolutionary for its time.
Absolutely, and the radar-absorbent materials here are what truly defined its stealth capabilities.
Its technological impact fundamentally shifted our strategic calculus.
Absolutely. The stealth profile alone redefined air power for decades to come.
The radar-absorbent materials were revolutionary.
It fundamentally altered our approach to contested airspace.
And the curvature alone reduced the radar signature dramatically.
Yeah.
It was a revolutionary design. And as this display shows, the data confirms its unprecedented impact on strategic deterrence. And this aerodynamic design combined here, the data confirms its impact on modern military operations is unmatched.
Yeah. Specifically, the aerodynamics and stealth.
The impact of these radar-absorbent materials cannot be overstated.
Exactly. Maintaining the integrity of the propulsion cowling is critical for mission readiness.
The advanced propulsion system of the B-2 relies heavily on these specialized radar-absorbing materials to maintain its stealth profile.
The sealant around the cowling looks good.
Check the leading edge degradation here. It seems higher than spec.
Agreed. We should note that for the next cycle. We're seeing some stress fractures right here on the turbine blade housing.
Yeah. That explains the vibration telemetry from the last run. We'll need to pull the panel.
Ready for the main connection? Go ahead.
Engaging sequence stabilization.
Final bolt torque to spec.
Visual confirmation complete. Clear.
Marking components secure in the system. Propulsion connection secure.
Verified continuity on the conduit. All systems nominal.
Conduit secure. Verify the connection point.
Confirmed. Torque settings checked and logged.
The primary conduit secure.
Verified. Torque to spec.
Readings are nominal.
Tighten the coupling to spec. Torque set. Finalizing connection now. Verified stable power flow.
Lubrication Lubrication complete on joint 4.
Copy that. Moving to the next sequence check.
Aligning the dolly now. Ensure the pressure holds steady on the strut.
Pressure is stable. Applying the lubricant to the main gear pivot point.
Maintaining the stealth coating and upgrading the avionics ensures the B-2 remains undetectable, a key advantage in the current theater.
These radar-absorbing materials are crucial. They ensure the B-2 maintains its unmatched stealth capabilities for missions in the Middle East.
Maintaining the stealth coating is why these bombers are so effective.
Exactly. Against modern Iranian systems, low observability is the key to mission success.
Specialists meticulously organize these radar-absorbing materials, ensuring the B-2 bombers maintain their stealth advantage for critical missions in the Middle East. To ensure the B-2's unmatched stealth capabilities, logistics teams work tirelessly, organizing and applying these highly classified materials.
Maintaining the stealth integrity of the B-2 requires specialized expertise, especially when working on these advanced propulsion systems vital for the Middle East deployment.
Conduits 7 through 12 are secured. Initiating systems check.
Confirmed. Power levels stabilizing within parameters.
Radar absorbent material looks good.
Torque set on the main conduit. Verified. Moving to the secondary coupling.
Check the tolerances on sector gamma. Engineering specified a tighter margin this time. This section here seems slightly off nominal.
Agreed. Let's run the broadband scan again.
Initiating the sweep now.
The reflectivity seems stable on this section.
Let's lock this panel in before we run the next sequence check.
Confirming the seal is secure on my end.
The starboard access port looks clear. Copy.
Initiating calibration sequence on the radar-absorbent material.
The B-2 stealth bomber, operating here in the unforgiving Middle Eastern theater, showcases its unparalleled stealth capabilities and advanced technology.
With its unmatched stealth capabilities and advanced avionics, the B-2 Spirit continues its critical mission over this unforgiving landscape.